Hello and good day. This is the 4-step cure number 19, bathing and showering. I know it sounds silly, like, why are you telling me to bathe and shower? I bathe and shower all the time. Well, it's important because as we go through the day and we hug and we pass energies and we're in different rooms with people, their energy can connect to you. So at night, at the end of your day, you need to shower and bathe and release all of that energy that you've collected from other people. And you wonder why you're having nightmares or dreams, or you wonder when you go in a room why you're feeling like, oh wow, I get this feeling. Those are other people's energies. And yes, they exist. And yes, they can attach to you. That's why it's important. Sometimes we're tired and, we may just do a quick rub down, a quick wash up. Before and after we take off our clothes after a long day, you may lay on the bed and you may lay on the couch. It's important. Rinse and wash all of that negative energy off from other people. And just pray while you're doing it. Pray. Hey, Marie, my ancestors, release anything that's not meant for me. Release any energy that was not meant for me to have today. We've all had that situation where you just is like, wow. This person, I just get this bad feeling from this person. And I have other tips on protection. So just keep watching. But that was my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.